little noise right now if you want to see some stuff going down. All right, you ready to go, brother? You ready to go? You, sir. No, you. Yes.
Always ready.
Here we go, man. Put your hands together for these. First of all, make a little noise for all the folks at American Muscle putting this down. Takes a lot to get this going.
You, with the car. Stage is yours. Remember, crowd applause. Make noise. We got 9 tech competitors coming up here, so let's see who can make those noise. 88 LX cracking off some dumps. All for mid-pipe. Let's give it up for the 88 LX coming through making some loud noise. All right. If you haven't figured out what that noise was, it's the BBK Revving contest. All right, so 02 GT here in front of us, and I do believe from the look on his face, he is more than ready. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give it up for Snicks and his 02 GT. All right.
Yes, sir.
Bama tuned, brand new GT. Good, sir. Got 60 seconds on the clock. Let him rip. Oh, yeah, 15 seconds. Right what you want. Oh, yeah. On the limiter. Bama tuning for the win. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give it up for this beautiful coyote.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Big man.
Well, we have our standard rules for our BBK Revving contest. For you, sir, nobody fall out of the car. You got 60 seconds on the clock. You ready? Let 'em rip! Woo! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give it up for that screaming yellow Mach 1. Well done, well done. Woo. Outstanding.
They just keep getting better.
This is a pretty white car. Some upgrades. Deep dish AM wheels. Got some Cobra brake on up front. Nice big old hood. Mach 1 chin spoiler. Sir, with a thumbs up out the window. Are you ready to rock? That's a big thumbs up. 60 seconds on the clock. Let it rip! That's a talk about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Banging off the limiter. Thank you. All right. That's a good way to wrap that one up. This BBK Performance Show turned out real nice. Thank you for that one. Thank you. Make room. Don't be nervous. It's just a really expensive motor you're revving to the limiter. What's the problem?
Yeah, what can happen?
Famous last words. Hey, watch this. Are you ready? When you make noise. There we go. You got 30 seconds on the clock. 30 seconds.
Make a little noise for Austin, folks.
That is.
You ready, bro? Hit it. 60 seconds.
Oh! We're rocking the BBK Big Pipe on here to some nice 2.5-inch mufflers. This thing, he's not afraid to get it. Sounded good. All right, 193 GT coming through. That sounded good, man.
Let's get it. 60 seconds.
On you. I'll wait. Here we go. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is one nice set ride. This is getting tough.
Nice, bro.
One last time, if you keep your eyes on the big man, one more time, this is definitely for all the marbles. What's your name? Give me your name this time. For Matt. Okay. for Greg.
John.
This is your top 3, but thanks to first place winner right there. You got a sweet trophy and $250. Thank you to BBK as well for putting this on. Thank you guys for all your participation and your help. That was fun.